tragedy.
As you keep it chill for me. As you keep it real.
Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, so we're trying out a braided wig today, and this one has been used before, but I just thought to do like a quick bring that braided wig back video, and this is what I'm doing. You guys already know my installation method. I went ahead and kind of like tinted the wig again because I washed it. Gone are those days where we got braided wig for like £8, £10. This one right here was about $9.99 at the time that I got it, almost like 4 years ago. Now I'm seeing braided wigs for £60, £50, £45, and I'm like, really? Braided wigs? Even on Aliexpress, braided wigs were one of like the most affordable ones, but now everything's like so different. So I'm like, you know what, let's bring back this good old braided wig that I have abandoned for almost 4 years. You guys already know my installation process, so I use this adhesive spray for any synthetic or braided wigs. I do not use glue. Like I said, if you're learning how to install and you're not really kind of like confident in your installation processes, you do not have any reason to use a glue because it gets really messy and sometimes it's really hard to like take it off or clean that space. I am an advocate for like a clean install. Honestly, like, get it to look as natural and as real as possible. We all know we're wearing laces, but make it look more natural so people ask. Yes, so when it gets tacky, just pull that wig forward and then stick it down. As simple as that. You guys already seen my installation videos like over and over and over again, but yeah, this is how I do it. And then I always have nails, so I just use my nails to kind of like press the lace down. If you do not have nails, don't use your palm or your thumb or anything that can stick to that glue or that adhesive spray. Always use like a rat tail comb. Once the 2 ear tabs are down, I just go ahead and then spray my adhesive spray all over the edges just to keep that edges laid. Press it down, auntie. Press it down. Don't just pour your adhesive spray and then tie it down. No, use your rat tail comb or the back of your rat tail comb or the tail of your rat tail comb and kind of like just press it down, just as I am doing in this video. That helps to keep the lace really flat and avoid any bumpiness or any kind of like air space in between the lace and your hair. So while you do that, just go ahead and kind of like blow dry it while you do it, just to get the glue to actually like dry off before you put anything else. Went over it for about 2 to 3 times with my hand dryer, and then I went into my baby hair. Now I did a lot of this off camera because the baby hair was so tough that I needed to get up and use my big mirror to get it sorted. Now I'm just going into it with my adhesive spray and I'm just placing them properly and keeping them in place just to keep them in check. This hair is not real hair, it's not even fiber, it's like, I don't know, it's like horse tail, and that's why it's really stiff. So yeah, what do you expect? The wig was $9.99 at the time I got it. That's why it's that you know, bad. But yeah, we do turn any bad hair into like a yaddy yaddy. So I'm just going into it with the darkest shade of my loose powder, and then I'm gonna place it all around the edges just to melt that lace into my skin before I put my melting spray. Girl, if you're still wearing your band over your ears, you're sitting on a long bicycle. Like, really, your bum's gonna hurt. Look at this. This is the newest invention of TK by TM here, and we've got like a the ear space cut out, so you can wear this for as long as you like while doing your makeup, your hair, or whatever, and your ear's not gonna hurt. It gives your wig more time to like melt into your skin. Now I'm going in with my concealer, and what I'm going to do is kind of like make all of the parts in my front hair kind of like visible, because it's supposed to be a braided wig. Braids has scalp, braids needs to give scalp. So what are we going to do to get that scalp back? Right now this scalp is giving dark clouds, so we go into it with like the foundation shade or the concealer shade of our color, and then we bring that part to life, which is what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go into it, different lines, in all of the lines, and then place it in just like so, and then you're just gonna go in with your hand and then blend. What that blending does, it helps the concealer to actually disappear into the lace, and by disappearing into the lace, it looks more natural, more realistic, and it looks more like skin. So I just went around and did all of that all round. Can you see how that is changing the game? And then you go into it with your palm, and then you rub, and we're good. This is how it's looking after all of the concealer has gone in. And yeah, I think I'm pretty impressed with the scalp on this wig. For a $9.99 wig, this wig is giving princess in the jungle vibe. Anyways guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to see what style I can do. But then I thought about it, and I'm like, I need more room and more space to kind of like do the styles. So I went off camera and did my makeup and got it sorted. Okay, so I just tried to put it in like a small bun, and then I dropped a bit down. So guys, look, I had this on the whole time while I do my makeup. My ears doesn't hurt, and the wig is just laying, you know. So this is a good buy. Just take that out. Guys, this is what we have. This is what we have. This is what we're working with. Guys, I can't tell you how cute this hair looks. It looks so cute. went ahead and tried different styles, but this one was by far the best out of them all. But the wig ate. Yo, this wig ate all of the styles up like back to back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. This is how the hair turned out. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I post a video you would be notified. In the meantime guys, do not forget to drink lots and lots and lots of water, moisturize, and I'll definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.